Here we're at Ebawa Lake, Wariyapola. The scenery is amazing. Hi guys, today come with me to camping in Embowa Lake, Wariyapola, Sri Lanka. Amazing lakeside spot. We're cooking up some food, and now let's get a drone's eye view of this beautiful place. Alright, let's get the roti dough and prepare the roti. Kneading it well, then we'll use the roller. Now, rolling it out flat. Alright, let's get this grill on the fire. Now for the first roti, let it cook slowly. Perfect. Now for the next. Alright, let's make pork curry. First, onions into the pan. Now garlic, ginger, and tomatoes. Add the pork, stir it all together. Perfect. Now let's mix it well. Hey everyone, cooking up a storm by the lake. Look at this stew getting nice and thick. Alright, down cam for the real action. Alright, time to dig in. Coconut roti with this amazing pork curry. So good. Now for a piece of pork and a sip from this cool lion can. Okay, guys, I spent a nice evening at Ebawa Lake, Wariyapola. To see more videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Camping with Gan Sri Lanka.
All power taken away, me no. All power taken away, me no.